This is the Uratex Dream. Lineup for Lady Macbeth Riots would be Malia Bambrick, Alicia Gabriel Bade, Afril Bernardino, and Luna Ozar. And for Uratex Dream would be Kay Pingol, Christina Dicon, Samantha Harada, and Mika Cacho. Our match officials for this ball game: Irish Sanoan and Faye Veras. And let's get to the ball game with Lady Macbeth and Uratex Dream, with now having 2 wins, and Lady Macbeth with 2 wins as well. First ball would go to the Lady Macbeth Riots. Luna Ozar there with an end 1 play.
Luna Azar, no, being awarded as the Uratex Matibay Best Player nung kanilang last game, and just showing na hindi pa siya tapos from her last game. She still has that momentum going forward as she gets that end 1 to go.
You know, Luna Ozar seems like she's not a very, very young player kasi sobrang nakikipagsabayan and just still getting a first point for her team. As we can see, another 2 points from Uratex Dream from Harada. And as I was saying, against another 2 points also for Bade. And back to Ozar. I was saying that parang hindi siya bata maglaro. Ngayon na nakikisama siya sa mas matatanda and veteran teams here.
Yeah, and she has played, no, for the recent Gilas Women SEA Games ngayon 2023 lang, and for FIBA Asia Tournament and 2023 William Jones Cup. So hindi talaga bata yun, no, considering na yung bracket na pinaglalaroan niya is already in the women's division, not in the girls division. So you can definitely expect her to do some big girl moves.
Bade now giving the ball to Bambrick. Ozar to Bade again. Ozar again. Afril still sitting down for the Lady Macbeth Riots. Pingol. Pass to Cacho. Cacho. No good for that shot. Rebound by Bambrick. Giving it to Ozar. Ozar to Bambrick. Bambrick for 2 and a good one.
That is Malia Bambrick, no? Showing that even though she has the height and the length, she can definitely light it up from deep as well.
6-2 in favor of Lady Macbeth with 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Malia Bambrick, who sat down, and you can see here Afril already inside the ball game. Was supposed to be a buzzer beater there, but wasn't able to make it by Kay Pingol. Tina Dicon now coming in for Mika Cacho. Bade passes it to Bernardino. What a cut! But Ozar from Afril. Great, great cut there by Ozar. And another answer from the Uratex Dream, Samantha Harada. Harada sitting down in exchange for Casio. Ozar again wasn't able to make that layup. Passes it to Bade. And naabutan na sila ng shot clock.
We have a tight ball game here, no? Again, Lady Macbeth, 2 wins and no losses. Same goes for Uratex Dream. So it'll be the same theme as we had our last game, no? Gusto nila bigyan ng unang talo ang isa't isa. So, tinan natin kung sino ba ang magwawagi.
Bambrick now passes it back to Afril. Afril. Bambrick. And scores. Make that 8 for Lady Macbeth. Cacho now. No good for that one. Malia Bambrick, as we can see here on our screens, a 5'10" guard out of Pepperdine University. Her debut for Gilas was last 2023 in the William Jones Cup. And she is the 4th all-time in 3 points made in Wave history, with 165 made in her 4-year career there. And back to the ball game with our score, 9-6, still in favor of Lady Macbeth. Afril doing wonders for her teammates. Back to Afril. Good connection there for Bambrick and Bernardino. Harada. Harada with the ball. Looking for a chance. Wasn't able to score for that one. Passes it to Deacon. A steal by Bambrick. Passes it to Bade for 2 and gets it. Lead is now up by 6 in favor of Lady Macbeth.
And finally, nakakaliw na itong Lady Macbeth.
Timeout was called by the Euritex Dream. This is brought to you by Blue Refreshing Boost. Here are our audience, who's very much entertained with all the action we're seeing here from all the 8 teams that are battling out for the 3x3 W Movements 3x3 Elite Invitational. And back to the ball game, we have Harada there against Afril. 6 minutes and 32 seconds for this ball game. And still in favor for the Lady Macbeth. A steal there by Afril. Bambrick. A good cut there, but wasn't able to convert for Afril. Afril against Pingol was called a double. Deacon now coming in.
And ito na ang inaabangan natin. No? Actually, kanina pa naman, but it'll be a great sight to see once again itong si Deacon and Bambrick. Both bigs, no? Na can shoot it from the mid-range. Actually, no, itong si Bambrick ang mas versatile sa aking palagay, no? Samantalang itong si Deacon, more of that really big na kayang mag-dominate inside the paint. Ito si Bambrick, meron siyang mid-range shot, no? From the right elbow, the left elbow, the top of the key. So let's see, no? They're almost the same height, pero different facets of the ball game.
And so it's unusual to see for a woman na with that size, kayang makashoot also with the outside shooting. And we can see that with Deacon getting a bucket inside the paint. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 14-17. Pingol there. Bambrick doing good in this game. Ozar as well. Another shot, but no good. Pingol with a rebound. Pingol to Deacon. A great pass. Good to go for the second time. And Bade there. No good. Passes it to Pingol. Pingol to Deacon again. However, couldn't convert and makes it the second time. Bambrick. Bambrick looking for her shot. And it's good.
Yun yung sinasabi ko, Hana, na itong si Bambrick, she can definitely shoot it from the mid-range, no, despite being a big, I think, a big, no, quote-on-quote, pero she can definitely go toe-to-toe with the mid-range shooters.
Bambrick. And Ozar there, 16 to 11 with a 5-point lead against the Uratex Dream. Ozar again, and was called a foul from Pingol. Mika Cacho now coming in for Deacon. And I think a timeout will be called for the Lady Macbeth Riots. This timeout is brought to you by Blue Refreshing Boost. And as they take a breather, we would like to take our sponsors, Uratex, Blue Philippines, Connection Bistro Cafe, and Katigo Sports. And for those who just have tuned in, I am here today still together with my partner, Cho Pangilinan, covering the games for our W Movement 3x3 Elite Invitational. And our ongoing game is the Lady Macbeth against the Uratex Dream in favor of Lady Macbeth. Luna now with 6 points. Now Deacon. Deacon with 4. Pingol there. All alone. Making that shot. Bambrick. Turnover there. Pingol to Deacon. Inside the paint. No good. Deacon. And a steal by Bambrick. Bambrick all alone for that jump shot. No good.
Alam mo, Hana, itong si Deacon, nakakailang miss na siya, no, from inside, pero mukhang gusto na rin bumawi. And I think she should because they are currently down by 3, no, and if hindi sila tumrabaho agad, itong Lady Macbeth, they're 4 points away from the win, and if hindi sila kumilos, no, matatalo sila.
With 3 minutes and 26 seconds remaining to just 4 points away, Lady Macbeth. I think, hindi nga natin matatapos yung oras eh. As with Uratex there, adding a point to their, cutting the lead to 2. Bernardino with the rebound. Bernardino to Bade. Bade in front of Harada, driving into the basket.
What a smooth maneuver, no, for Bade. We're all aware that she can definitely shoot the lights out from deep, no, pero pinapakita niya rin na she's not all two-pointers. She can also definitely go toe-to-toe in the paint.
And a no good there for that 2 points by Pingol. Bambrick now, and a steal by the Uratex Dream. Can keep Pingol lead her team for a win here. Arada. Cacho now, and an end one from Cacho.
And ito si Cacho, pinag-uusapan natin kanina na magic bonus lang to sa kupunan to. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na wala lang siya. Ito, makikita natin sa instant replay. What a maneuver from Cacho, and now she has the chance to make her team bounce back, no?
And it's actually Mika Cacho's first point for this game. But still, it's a very important one. And again, a timeout is called. Our score is 18 to 6 with 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. And this timeout is brought to you by Blue Refreshing Boost. We would like to thank our sponsors, Uratex, Blue Philippines, Connection Bistro Cafe, and Katigo Sports. Back to the ball game. Ball goes to the Lady Macbeth Riots. Madden now with the ball. Passes it to Afril. Afril looking for a driving lane. Wasn't able to make that layup. Gets her own miss.
And they're 2 points away from the win, no, Hannah? I think they will most probably try to hit one from deep, no? Considering they have a lot of good shooters in this ball team.
And I think ball goes to the Uratex Dream. As you can steal that earlier with Bernardino's shot. Now Bernardino looking to score to end this, but no good. Harada now coming in for Cacho. Pingol against Bade. A great cut by Kay Pingol. Kay Pingol now has 5. Bernardina now. A foul was called. And ball goes to the light shirts. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining. Lady Macbeth 2 points away for the win. Bernardino with a jump shot, and it's good.
What
And
a
a point away. So a point away. Cacho, Deacon rebounded that one, and it's good. Cutting the lead to 2 with 1 minute and 15 seconds. Bambrick for the win, but no. Now Bambe. Cacho. Cacho now looking for a teammate. Looking for Deacon. A foul there by Afril.
Fred, no, hindi siya masaya because she wasn't doing anything. Pero the officials had to do that because nakikita natin hinihila na nito ni Afril. Si Christina Deacon, no? But then again, ito si Deacon. She's been showing up, no? In the dying seconds of our ball game. It's only a 2-point lead. Anything can still happen here.
Uratex Dream wanting to cut that lead. Kay Pingol, great hustle, but wasn't able to make it. 1 point away from getting this win for the Lady Macbeth Riots. And now, Bambrick giving it to the veteran Afril. A foul there, which gives Afril a free throw.
Actually,
oh, sorry,
no, because
not yet, since their team fouls is still under 6.
yeah, luckily, no, for
Yeah.
Uratex Dream, that's the case.
However, with 36 seconds remaining, teams are fouling here already.
Itong Uratex Dream, no? They're looking to, they're actually fouling. I don't think it was on purpose, no? Pero they have to take care of it because aabot na sila ng 6 fouls.
Afril strategizing on that play, gives it to Bade. Afril again got blocked by Pingol. Steal by Pingol, and that's 2-point shot. Wasn't able to get it. Deacon there. A steal by Bade with 12 seconds on the shot clock. And an obvious foul for Deacon.
Yeah, I think it was on purpose, no? Because we only have 9 seconds and they have to get the possession onto their hand. So it'll be a free throw, I believe so. Oh no, it's not a free throw yet because kaka-6 foul pa lang. After 6 fouls, dun pa lang magka-free throw. So let's see
Yes.
kung anong gagawin nito.
And now we have Bade passing it to Afril with 6 seconds. Inuubos na lang oras ni Afril and still shot. But still no good. But Lady Macbeth Riot still gets this win against the Uratex Dream. Great hustle there for both teams with our final score 20-18 in favor of Lady Macbeth. And our Uratex Matibay best player of the game would go to
Player of the game is Gabby Bade.
Gabi Bade. Gabi Bade showing off those great moves. And Gabi Bade now on our corner for being awarded for our